Hey everyone, just a bit of a casual video today, but a few months ago I managed to pick up a second-hand RAMA WORKS M65-B. If you've seen some of my first videos, you'd know that I already own the RAMA WORKS U80A, however, I'm a big fan of the 65% layout and I honestly thought, why not? Now, this video isn't a review of the keyboard, but more or less what I like and dislike about it, with a sound test. For starters, the bezels. Thick boys. They're just so nice in my opinion. The back of the keyboard, simple, minimalistic, I like it. The screws, I love the attention to detail. I haven't seen anything else use custom screws like this, even outside of the keyboard hobby. The logo, the grille, and the centered USB port. Good stuff. Another aspect I haven't seen anywhere else is the PVD coated plate. You can literally see my reflection in this thing. It's so cool. Some things I don't like about the keyboard, the front height, it's pretty extreme without a wrist rest. The forced layout with the hot swap PCB, I don't mind split backspace, but it's an unusual choice as the featured layout. And the sound. It's fine, but it's not my favorite. And I'm okay with that, because I bought the keyboard for its aesthetics. Well, anyway, this is the RAMA WORKS M65-B with stock oil kings, a PVD coated brass plate, an internal silicone dampener, and PBT fans Piger. Enjoy.